gratitude that I welcome each and every one of you to this special occasion, our closing exercises. To our distinguished guests, Ma'am Jill Osorio, Ma'am Maria Luisa Kagawa Domingo Galvez, Cap Alan de Guzman, SPK Officer Ma'am Luena and our very supportive school head, Sir Glenn Lusayo. Beloved teachers, supportive parents, guardians, and dear friends, thank you for being here to celebrate this important milestone with us. Your presence makes this day even more meaningful. Today is a day of pride, reflection, and new beginnings. This marks the end of one chapter and the exciting beginning of achievement, growth, and wonderful memories. Each one of us has worked hard, learned so much, and made our parents and guardians proud. We are truly grateful for the guidance and support we have received along the way. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your unconditional love and sacrifices. To our teachers, thank you for your patience, wisdom, and dedication in shaping us into the individuals we are today. We are truly honored to have you all here to witness this memorable event. May we all enjoy the celebration of hard work and success. We are immensely proud of our accomplishments. Each one of us embodies the spirit of perseverance and resilience, qualities that are key to navigating the ever-changing landscape of our lives. All have displayed exceptional characters, fostering personal growth alongside academic achievements. Our hope is that we all leave here not only armed with knowledge, but also the understanding that learning is a lifelong pursuit. So as we step into the future, let us carry these words with us, drawing strength from the idea that we have the capacity to overcome any obstacles that comes into our way. On behalf of the Malagutay Elementary School graduates, I heartily welcome you all to this 49th closing exercises.